Today we're talking about the state of Idaho, how your firearm can be confiscated, and how you might get it returned. We'll walk through possible scenarios, legal requirements, and steps to take. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Here are several common ways your firearm might be taken into custody in Idaho. You are convicted of a felony in Idaho. Under Idaho Code Section 19-387, when someone is convicted of a felony, the court may confiscate firearms, ammunition, bombs, or other deadly weapons found in possession at the time of arrest. Your civil rights are suspended following certain felony convictions. According to the Idaho Commission of Pardons and Parole, if you've been convicted of a felony, you may need to apply for a restoration of firearm rights. Your firearm is used in the commission of a felony, or the firearm itself was contraband at the time of conviction. Under the Idaho Constitution, no law shall permit the confiscation of firearms except those actually used in the commission of a felony. So in Idaho, confiscation generally follows a felony conviction. If you're trying to get your firearm back in Idaho, here's what to look at and what steps you might take. Check the reason for confiscation. Was the firearm confiscated because of a felony conviction under Section 19-387? Was the firearm used in commission of a felony? Was there a criminal conviction that prohibits possession under Idaho Code Section 18-3316? If the firearm was confiscated upon conviction under Section 19-387, the statute allows any person who has filed a timely claim may show by competent evidence that the property was not in the possession or control of the defendant at the time of his arrest, or that the owner is innocent of any involvement in the acts which led to the defendant's arrest. If the court finds that, it may return the property to the owner or interested person. If no timely claim is filed, the court may direct delivery to the law enforcement agency for disposition, including for firearms/ammunition, via Section 55-403 subsection 4 Idaho Code in that scenario. If you lost your civil right to possess firearms, if you're convicted of a felony identified in Section 18-310, firearm rights are suspended. Restoration requires application to the Idaho Commission of Pardons and Parole. The application may only be submitted after 5 years have passed since final discharge of sentence. If you receive a pardon, the application for firearm rights restoration isn't needed. Rights are restored if pardon is granted. Here's a suggested step-by-step you can follow if you're trying to get your firearm back in Idaho. Step 1. Determine the basis of confiscation. Ask, was the firearm seized because of a felony conviction? Or was possession prohibited because of the conviction? Or was the firearm used in the commission of a felony? Step 2. If the firearm was seized under Section 19-387, find the motion and notice of hearing served by the state for confiscation. Check if you timely filed a claim. If you filed, prepare evidence to show the firearm was not in your control at the time of arrest, or you are an innocent owner. Attend the hearing and try to obtain an order returning the firearm. Step 3. If you lost your firearm rights due to conviction and want to regain them, determine whether your conviction is among those listed in Section 18-310 requiring restoration. Ensure final discharge of sentence is complete. Then wait at least 5 years after discharge. Complete and submit the Restoration of Firearms Rights application to the Idaho Commission of Pardons and Parole. Include certified copies of judgment orders, verification of payment of fines/fees/restitution. The Commission investigates and holds a hearing quarterly. If granted, your firearm rights are restored. Step 4. Once rights are restored or court-ordered return is granted, coordinate with law enforcement or court clerk to reclaim your firearm. Make sure all paperwork is complete and you have written court order or decision. Confirm with the law enforcement agency holding the firearm about procedure for release. Ensure you are not otherwise disqualified under federal law. To wrap up, in Idaho, gun confiscation primarily occurs by a felony conviction or firearms used in a felony. Return of the firearm depends on your legal status and whether you take the proper steps, filing claims under Section 19-387 or applying for rights restoration via the Pardons and Parole Commission. Always consult a qualified attorney for your specific facts. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content here on The Right Slant. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.